Security for Vibe Coders 101. We've talked about logging before. We didn't talk about previously what are you logging that might be sensitive information. Because when you log, it's really handy for debugging, obviously, audit trail. There's a lot of reasons to have some kind of a logger in the background that you know when something breaks. However, you don't want is AI to write log code for you that just captures all kinds of stuff that you didn't really want in there. Example, an API key. Yeah, an API key. A password. It happens. What you don't want is that to show up in a log somewhere, because if anyone has access to this log or can find a way into the log or captures log data being written in transit, that's a problem. And you've now got some exposure that you weren't looking at or had no idea existed in some sensitive information in your application. And all it takes is a really simple conversation with AI to say, hey, don't log sensitive data, you numpty. But it happens because no one told AI in the beginning, especially if you just said, I need a log information capture, I need a logger of something that's going to at least capture all this information so we know how to debug. Fine, great request. Okay, but tailor it down. One thing I like to do with my logging is I have more logging in my development environment and less logging in my production environment because there's more users, there's more activity. Preferably, I would like to have more information in my dev environment, which is just something I see and it's fine and I can see what's happening. But in production, all I want is warnings, maybe, errors, definitely, critical issues, of course. That's really it. I don't want all this extra noise. I prefer just to have being told when something fails.